Hey there, aspiring trainers. Welcome back to our YouTube video series on trainer guidelines. In this 20th episode, we're diving into the world of online and blended learning. The pandemic may have thrown a curveball at traditional training methods, but it also opened doors to incredible possibilities. With the rise of remote work and virtual training, it's crucial to cover best practices for conducting effective training sessions online. Topics could include engaging remote participants, utilizing virtual tools effectively, and overcoming common challenges in virtual training environments. The rise of online learning. Let's face it, online learning is here to stay. It's convenient, flexible, and allows learners to access knowledge from anywhere. But how do you, as a trainer, make the online experience engaging and effective? Don't worry, we've got your back. Thriving in a hybrid work environment. The world of work is evolving and many organizations are embracing hybrid work models. This means some employees work remotely while others split their time between the office and home. As a trainer, navigating this shift can be tricky. But fear not. Today's episode equips you with tips to help your trainees thrive in this new work landscape. Let's break down the hybrid model. It's essentially a blend of on-site and remote work arrangements. This can present both opportunities and challenges for communication, collaboration, and maintaining a positive team culture. Communication is key. Communication is the lifeblood of any successful team and even more crucial in a hybrid environment. Here are some tips to foster clear communication. 1. Establish clear communication channels. Utilize a combination of video conferencing, instant messaging platforms, and project management tools. 2. Prioritize transparency. Keep everyone informed about schedules, deadlines, and project updates. 3. Practice active listening. Ensure everyone feels heard and valued regardless of location. B. Collaboration across distance. Working remotely doesn't have to hinder collaboration. Here are some strategies to keep your team working together seamlessly. 1. Utilize collaborative online tools. Leverage shared documents, whiteboards, and project management platforms for real-time collaboration. 2. Schedule regular virtual check-ins. Promote team discussions and brainstorming sessions online. 3. Encourage informal interaction. Foster virtual coffee breaks or social events to build relationships. C. Building a positive hybrid culture. Maintaining a positive company culture is essential for employee engagement and well-being. Here's how to bridge the gap in a hybrid environment. 1. Organize virtual team-building activities. Create opportunities for fun and connection, even online. 2. Recognize and appreciate all employees. Celebrate successes and contributions regardless of location. 3. Promote work-life balance. Encourage healthy boundaries between work and personal life for both remote and on-site employees. Des Trainers Toolkit. To empower your trainees for success, equip them with the right tools. 1. Remote work etiquette training. Help them navigate online communication, time management, and distractions at home. 2. Effective use of collaboration tools. Train them on utilizing online platforms for maximum effectiveness. 3. Building relationships remotely. Offer tips for fostering connections and building trust with colleagues they might not see in person every day. By embracing these tips and fostering a culture of clear communication, collaboration, and inclusivity, you can help your trainees excel in the hybrid work environment. Désigner engaging online course. First things first, let's talk about building your online course. 1. Structure is key. Break down your content into manageable modules with clear learning objectives. 2. Variety is the spice of life. Combine video lectures with interactive activities, quizzes, and polls to keep your audience on their toes. 3. Don't underestimate visuals. Use infographics, animations, and screencasts to enhance understanding and retention. Using video conferencing tools effectively. Now, video conferencing is the cornerstone of online interaction. Let's explore some ways to get the most out of these tools. 1. Master the technology before your session. 2. Set clear expectations for camera usage and participation. 3. Utilize breakout rooms for group discussions and activities. 4. Embrace the chat function for quick questions and polls. Creating a positive virtual classroom environment. Finally, let's talk about building a positive and inclusive virtual classroom environment. 1. Be welcoming and enthusiastic. Your energy is contagious online too. 2. Respect diversity of learning styles by offering alternative formats for materials. 3. Encourage participation by calling on learners throughout the session. 4. Practice active listening and acknowledge student contributions. Actionable tips. Now, let's turn these insights into action. Here are some actionable tips you can implement right away. 1. Invest in a good microphone and webcam. 2. Test your internet connection in advance. 3. Prepare a backup plan in case of technical difficulties. 4. Record your sessions to allow for review and asynchronous learning. Remember, online and blended learning can be incredibly rewarding experiences for both trainers and learners. By incorporating these tips and best practices, you'll be well on your way to transforming your virtual classroom into a hub of engagement and learning. Stay tuned for the next episode.